guys, in my last videos I told you I was going to churn out series of videos to explain the components of the solar power system and explain the connections and actual installation of these systems. So today, in fulfillment of my promise, I'm going to start from where it all starts, and that is the solar panel. The solar panel is a very beautiful structure that is designed to attract rays from the sun and convert it into DC currents and DC voltages. Now, these DC current and DC voltages are sent to the charge controller and subsequently to the other components of the solar power system, which we'll see as we proceed in these videos. So today is just an introduction of this beautiful structure. Look at it, it's very pretty. This beautiful structure called the solar panel. And if you look critically at this, you find out that we have boxes here. These boxes are called the cells. They are the cells of the solar panel. And the solar panel is made up of a lot of cells. Basically, there are some solar panels that are made up of 60 cells and others that are made up of 72 cells. What I have in my hand is a standard 72 cells solar panel. If you look at it horizontally, you find out there are 6 cells horizontally and then 12 cells vertically, making it 72 cells. So this is a very nice panel and very active. There are basically 2 types of panels. We have the monocrystalline panel and we have the polycrystalline panel. Now, if you look at this that I'm holding, you find that this is black in color. This is one of the ways to know a monocrystalline panel. They're always black in color, while polycrystalline panels are blue in color. Now, if you look at this very well, you also find out that in between 4 cells, you find a space. This is another way to identify a monocrystalline panel, because they are the only panels that have this type of configuration, a space between 4 cells. Polycrystalline panels only have vertical lines running through them and horizontal lines. They do not have these spacings that are between each cells. So this is a monocrystalline panel, and we prefer monocrystalline panels to polycrystalline panels for many reasons. Some of the reasons why we prefer this is because this is more sensitive to light. So this grabs light faster. This panel can start charging as early as 9 o'clock in the morning and all through till 5:30 in the afternoon. It's very sensitive to light and it has a very long lifespan. This panel can last as long as 30 years without getting bad and conduct. Even if this panel is broken, this panel will also conduct and produce voltages and currents. So this is a beautiful panel. This is called a monocrystalline panel, 72 cell, and I will also show you the back. This is the back of the panel. Alright, here at the back of the panel, you have the positive terminal and you have the negative terminal. Don't worry, in the next video I'll tell us how to connect all these things. And now look at this, we have the ratings of the panel behind here. This is where we have the ratings of the panel and where we know how these connections should be made depending on what we want. Please like this video and share and keep following us for more videos. At the end of this series, you should be a solar installer.